About 7 years ago, we started to do some research in Australia about disability inclusion in disaster risk reduction. We were working together with our partners in emergency services who recognized that they didn't have tools and resources to support people with disabilities in emergencies. That research revealed some really important findings. One, that emergency services needed to make sure that their information, resources, and tools were accessible in formats that people with disability could understand and use, in order to make a plan, in order to understand their risk, in order to actually take some actions to keep themselves safe. But what we also learned was that people with disabilities needed to self-assess their own level of preparedness, their own capabilities, and their support needs. But you know what? We didn't have the tools to do that. And so we set about quite a journey over the last 5 years of co-designing the Person-Centered Emergency Preparedness framework and process tool. One of the most exciting parts of the P-CEP is the capability wheel. Co-designing that with people with disability was a really important part of the project. What we've done is we've divided a self-assessment of your capabilities and support needs into 8 function-based areas. And people with disability tell us that when using the P-CEP, the capability wheel is the most important part for them. It means that they can go around the wheel, identify the areas both of strength and support need, dig a lot deeper into the areas that are of high priority for them, and think about how they manage their support needs in everyday circumstances before they start considering about how they're going to manage those support needs in an emergency situation. We've been working with Mackay Council to distribute that capability wheel through the community, and they came up with a novel idea of laminating it into a bit of a placemat, and it provides a really lovely conversation piece for people just to get started with the conversation.